Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am done with my work. It's time for me to go home. As you can see
Use the
here,
left 2 lanes to turn left onto Shady Grove Road.
somebody's talking to me.
Continue on Shady Grove Road for 1 mile. Road for 1 mile. You
Yeah,
are on
somebody's
the
talking
fastest
to
route
me.
Despite slower than usual traffic, you will arrive at 8:23 a.m.
And she is still not done with me. Anyway, that's the truck that I need to avoid. I don't spreading salt. I think not. But anyway, we are here starting our journey and nobody should cut us, right? Yep, this is the first snow of the year here in Maryland. This is not new for me. I'm used to this. But you know what? The difference between the people people here from Illinois that really afraid of snow here. If there's no snow on the road, there are crazy drivers. But if there's snow, they're like an angel. They're so polite in the road. They give you the space. They drive slow, and yeah. That's kind of like the funny thing too. But anyway, we're on a stop now, and we are heading to Interstate 270. I don't have music right now, just the GPS. I don't know if the GPS will be recorded too. But that lady that you heard is my GPS. And yeah, it's time for me to run again. And then I'll let you know that I'm on a snow mode here in my vehicle, so that I won't go out of the road later on. But this one is not really bad, you know. So I don't know if you can see the other drivers. They're left behind actually. Like I said, they're so polite and slow, and you know.
In a quarter mile, use the right lane to take the I-270 North Road to
yep.
Frederick.
I know. Yep, I'm going to Frederick, and you can see there's blowing the road, and
use the left lane to take the I-270 North ramp.
For those drivers who doesn't like to drive in the snow,
In a
because they're
quarter mile,
afraid,
merge onto I-270 North.
they're afraid that they're not gonna be able to brake. You know, the technique of braking in the snow is that you have to brake it alternately. You know, brake, release, brake, release, brake, release. And then of course you need to have an allowance. You know, if you have a car in front of you, you have to make sure that you have enough space to brake in case you need to stop, you know. So yep, we are here now in the 270 local.
Merge onto I-270 North, then use the left lane to take the I-270 North exit.
And yep, we're still in the local, and we're gonna go to 270 Interstate, or Interstate 270. After deploying, a lot of, oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see, there's a car. There's 3 cars there. Oh my.
Use the left lane to take the I-270 North exit.
We had an accident last night, and their car
Continue on
totaled.
I-270 North for 5 miles.
They're all totaled. Yep. We're good. And it'll be better if you're running in the middle of the road. You have an allowance on the side and on the other side too. You know? You wipe the windows here for you guys. And then if you wanna try and change lane, and in between the lanes there are a pile of snow, right? I usually leave the gas off while I'm changing lanes. Because if you're gonna slide, you know, you're not gonna be as bad as when you are like revving your gas, you know, your engine. I mean. So, yep, I'm running. I don't know, I'm 50s, 55 right now, which is the speed limit. If there's no snow, they're not running like that. So I have to use the wiper first because there's a truck there that's constantly giving me some sprinkles of snow in my windshield. And I'm past overheat now. See? You see there, the cars are running slow now. And I'm around 50s now, 50s. You don't see this kind of speed when the road is dry. There's a car there, I don't know what happened to him. And previously there's 3 there, so I'm gonna brake here, you know, brake alternately. That's what you do, and have an allowance. Oh, they're so slow. I'm around 35 now. This is 35. Somebody stopped. I see he's having some car trouble. So I changed lanes now because the other one is so slow and she's yawning while driving. I'm on back on my middle lane. Yep. What you gonna do? The road's not really bad. You know, ice is thin. But the temperature outside is 28. So you have to be careful, consider the slippery road. You know. So I am here now, free at last. Free to ride.
In half a mile, keep left to stay on I-270 North.
Yeah, I know. Yep. I'm hungry. I need to eat. You don't want to go there. Use the road where there's less snow. That's what I'm using now. If you go to that left side, there's a lot of snow there, like still sticking on the road, you know. So avoid that. And then if it's like snowing and the snow is really thick, follow the car that's in front of you and follow the road in, where the tire went, you know, from the first car. That's where you use. That's what you use. So yep, here we are now. I'm sprinkling my window again to make my video clear. We are here now in Damascus, and yep, rolling and rolling. The negative side about having a video, I don't have any music. And I cannot really put anything if there's music because of the copyright. So I guess this is a good thing. stopping on the road all the time. Some car issues. But the 3 cars that I saw earlier was really bad. Their car is really totaled. We are now in Clarksburg. Clarksburg Outlet Mall. And of the HOP lane. So we're heading now to Urbana. The road is wet. I just hope there's salt there. I think the truck is just a flower. Sometimes they sprinkle salt on the road. And yes, this is still COVID. This is still COVID era. Not era, COVID year. I think that's the proper word for it. If it's gonna be COVID still the next year, that's gonna be COVID years, right? COVID years. Yes, we are here now. And I think we're almost in. There's an exit. Urbana is still far away. I think this is Germantown. A lot of snow in my windshield. Now that car's slow too. Go back. Go back to the other lane. Yeah, so what I said earlier about Maryland drivers, it's true actually. Everybody knows that. There are a lot of crazy drivers here. You have to be careful. Just cut you off. You know? We are near the exit to Barnesville in Hightstown. Pennsylvania. From Pennsylvania. So let's see the road here. I think we can go back. Yep. Perhaps I was able to record the drive last night. So yes, I'm braking now, alternate lane. That's how you brake. I'm just gliding now. Gliding on the road. And I'm on the lane. There's a lot of snow still. This is what you need to avoid. But then the other side has a lot of slow cars too. You know? And then moving on. So I'm gonna go back. There you go. There's a lot of cars on the side. What happened? See? They were stranded. Oh, there's a busted car. Now there's a lot of snow here too. Like solid snow. Oh, I like to see the river. But I can't because I'm driving. And yes, we are on the clear road now. There's a car there on the side, see? Careful, guys. So yeah, braking alternately now. See, that's how you brake. Brake release, brake release. That's how you do it. And we're almost there in Urbana. I can see the sign now. Oh, I got this home. Yeehaw! Good morning to everybody. Hopefully everything's doing well with you guys. No COVID or with COVID. Stay healthy, okay? Take care of yourselves. Get the vaccine now, and hopefully this is it. We're gonna go through with this together. Maybe after I'm done with my sleep. You know me, I work nights. There you go. We are almost here in Frederick. Icy roads possible. What? I was able to read that note there. You see the sign? I will review it when I come back and edit this video. But yep. there one time with by motorcycle, and it's sunny, but we didn't go to the scenic end part. So I'm braking again, alternately, right? Yep. Yep, there you go. I was sliding there a bit. Control your speed, especially if you're like going to a slippery part there. And there's a turn too. There you go. So we are here, guys. That's Frederick. Thank you for watching. Please continue to
In 2
watch my.
miles, take exit 31B from Maryland 85 South toward Buckestown.
So yeah, continue to watch my channel, and please support by subscribing. I have health tips every now and then because this is an RN channel. You know, I do post motorcycle rides. I like cars, but I'm also a nurse. So the image of this channel is to give you health information, and that's really the important part of my channel. So please support so that I can continue this. Right, so thank you very much for watching, guys. You have a nice morning. Take care of yourself and be safe, okay? Bye-bye.
Thank you.